Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. In class, you're learning animal vocabulary. We added 3 new words to your vocabulary, the Hindi words for dog, fox, and rhino. In this video, we're going to practice and review them and then do some practice problems. Dog is kutta, fox is lomadi, and rhino is genda. Let's do those again. Dog is kutta, fox is lomadi, and rhino is genda. Now let's do some practice problems. I'm going to show you a picture and please say whether it's a kutta, lomadi, or genda out loud. What are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Lomadi. What are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Kutta. What is this? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Genda. What are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Lomadi. What are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Kutta. What is this? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Genda. What are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Lomadi. What are these? Kutta, lomada, or genda? Genda. What are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Lomadi. Now we're going to do more practice, but the Hindi words are gone. You only see the English words. So let's see if you remember how to say each of these animals without looking at the words. So what are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Kutta. Okay, that's the last time I'm going to give you the words. So now let's practice. What are these? Dog, fox, or rhino? Lomadi. What are these? Dog, fox, or rhino? Rhino, genda. What are these? Kutta, lomadi, or genda? Kutta. What is this? Dog, fox, or rhino? It's a rhino. And how do we say rhino? Genda. What are these? Dog, fox, or rhino? These are fox. And how do we say fox in Hindi? Lomadi. What are these? Dog, fox, or rhino? These are dogs. And how do we say dog? Kutta. What is this? Dog, fox, or rhino? It's a rhino. And how do we say rhino? Genda. What about these? Dog, fox, or rhino? Well, they're dogs. How do we say dog in Hindi? Kutta. How do we say the fox is big in Hindi? You should know how to say this because in class, I taught you everything you need to know to put the sentence together. I taught you to decide between Bada and Badi and how to decide. And you know all of the words in that sentence. The fox is big. How would we say that? Lomadi badi hai. All right, how would we say the rhino is big in Hindi? Genda bada hai. How would we say the dog is big in Hindi? Kutta bada hai. How would we say the rhino is small in Hindi? Genda chota hai. How would we say the dog is small in Hindi? Kutta chota hai. And how would we say the fox is small in Hindi? Lomadi choti hai. Now you know many more Hindi words. Great work. I'll see you in class.